Dick Pickup was a great friend of mine, going all the way back, close to 50 years now. When we first got to know each other, there were ups and downs. And when the downturn in 87, 88, he almost lost his home. Dick was a man of very few words, a man who flew under the radar, did not like any personal attention. But I have to say this, it's ironic that he's viewed as the man of philanthropy now, because for his first 20 years of our friendship, it would not have been that way at all. He was interested in his golf game and investments. Philanthropy was not part of his life per se. He came to me one year when he was having an audit and he needed a receipt for $3,000. And the more he increased in his capacity to give, I could see a restlessness in him. And I began to challenge him to do some things. We'd done a $48 million building program and was left with a $10 million debt, and he wrote the check, and he loved it. And I said, Dick, some people talk about give till it hurts. Give till it feels good. And he began to feel really good about it. And from then on, he realized the joy of giving. Dick did not give to institutions, he gave to people, believing those people would keep those institutions straight. I'm just very grateful for him and the vision he had, and also his encouragement to his kids to be involved in that.
For me, and I would say for a lot of people that are in this community, when they think of Dick Pickup, they're going to think of a person of tremendous influence, a man who was extremely humble, kind, and very generous, and always was thinking about how to make sure that what was being talked about or formulated was something that was going to be beneficial to all the stakeholders. Dick's impact to Hoag was tremendous. Not only was he one of the most generous philanthropists associated with Hoag, but Dick wanted to make sure it wasn't just about the money, but really about the circle of patients or families that his contribution was going to impact. Every time you walked into the room with Dick, you wanted to be a better person. You wanted to be a better leader. You wanted to be a better community member. And when you're looking at it through a business lens, you wanted to be a better corporate citizen, because that's what Dick was. I think one of Dick's gifts was his ability to actually understand and see forward.
I think I was inspired. I lost a brother a couple years ago to dementia, Alzheimer's. I think it was just time to make a meaningful gift. We've had a lot of different gifts to a lot of different charities, but I think this one was time to investigate just the neuroscience department, what the brain can do, and breakthroughs I think that I'm looking forward to in the next 10 years.
Hoag is a very fortunate institution, and we live in a community that provides tremendous support. However, there are very few in our history that truly changed the course of the institution for the better, and Dick Pickup was one of those individuals.
Dick had no interest in publicity. In fact, he would be embarrassed for this to be done in his honor. He was a good, sharp businessman who realized that this was something he wanted to do, and it felt good doing the more he did it, and he arranged to do it in a way that went beyond this life.